Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing two layouts in my Cocoa Daisy Simple Dory, which is their traveler's notebook. I have hopefully already posted the unboxing of the Scrapbooking Kit and the Dory flip through, and then I also have the journaling kit. Yeah, that's what it's called, where all of the embellishments and stuff are kept very flat. So those should be posted, as well as my first project with this collection was a memory planning spread. So we are taking prompts from the cards that came in the kit. So actually two things. So the journaling prompt card, I have it here on my desk, actually has one of the prompts saying your favorite holiday recipe, which I adore. And this is just the cutest card. So this will probably go in here too. And then one of the cards in the pocket cards was this cute one for a recipe. It says winter recipe. And this paper, I used it in the memory plan. This is like the star of the show to me. I love it. And I'm so glad it's a double page spread in here across both. So we are doing my love for flan. So flan is a custard dessert, like a caramel vanilla custard. I think it's I don't know, not only, but it's a Latino thing. You know, I'm Puerto Rican, but I know that my Mexican in-laws too also make it, or a version of it. And so don't get me twisted. I did not take this picture. This is not a flan that I made. This is from Google, and we're going to, sorry for my dogs. We are going to attach it. I was just kind of auditioning out, like having a layered little moment down here and such. So that will be project number 1. And then we will do project number 2 in here, which I do believe I already had prepped. I'm trying to remember. There should be other photos ready to go in here. Yes, there are. So we are prepped, ready to go. So let me not squish that. And so I have 2 little snowflakes out from the vellum pack. I have all the kits. So we're going to play and get going and do it and have some fun. I think because the card is so small, in order to gauge these lines, I probably will have to write it out and then do a little journaling there on like why I love it. Because if you know me, even like my daughter knows me, my gal knows me, like especially around the holidays, it's just like who's making it for me, because I really don't. Every time I've made it, it's not so great. But my father-in-law, I love him so. He makes a fantastic one, and he knows anytime he comes up to visit. Especially last year we hosted Christmas, and the year before that we hosted Thanksgiving. So like whenever we host, he knows he has to bring it, you know? Because and for me, it's all about the consistency, and to get it as smooth as even in this picture it depicts, I never have. Like mine is always very like full of air pockets, you know? So it's all about the consistency in that custard. If you know, you know. All right, so let's prep this. Let's get this attached. Let's make a little layering cluster because I like this one. And let's go from there. Okay, let's get started. So let's get started building a little cluster on this white tag. Now the tag is included in the kit, so that's always lovely to have it, so you don't have to kind of stash dive to find them. At least for me, I know they're never in the same place twice. So what I'm doing is just kind of keep creating balance, putting the journal card that is from the pocket page cards for the month on the left, and then having the photo of the dessert itself, which I did tell you was a Google photo because this is not mine, which is totally okay in situations like this too, especially if you don't have a picture of something. Like I do this a lot too when I go for Google for images like of movie posters or my book titles, book covers, you know. It's just Google search and look what you're looking for in case you don't have one. So like I said, I just Googled flan and it came up. To create some layers and to use up a lot of the embellishments in this kit, I do kind of thumb through everything, and that's why I like working with these kits for my projects, like all in the same like sitting, because my ideas already start flowing and going between project to project, and it's really great to know what I want to use per kit and per project. So you can see I'm using some of the vellum snowflakes. Sorry, lost my word there. Vellum snowflakes, a little bit of the pink, a little bit of the blue. I'm incorporating some of this pink because the page already dominantly has that blue and white tone. These little sticker sheet with the like push pins and the binder clips and stuff is so cute that I actually used one of the little safety pins, so it looked like the picture is safety pinned to that tag. I will definitely use those just in my regular journaling. And that's what I've always been trying to do. I think I was telling you about the dory, is that I've been so far so good in using up each dory per month to tell some regular everyday stories or to do some daily journaling in, just to get in that habit to journal. Really, I think I've lost it a little bit, and especially actually in this month of October, I have not created as much. I think I'm in a little bit of a creativity slump, but I still have creative juices. I just know that I'm like creating a little bit less this month, which is okay. It ebbs and flows, right? It ebbs and flows. So let me cut down my collage photo of the 4, and then I did 2 from a red outfit that she had that I think I'll include in this journal at some point as well, just because the colors work really well. I like staggering them, so that is already what I'm thinking. And then we are jumping to the other side for this one. So this is already, project number 2. We're just starting them both off. And I knew I wanted a big title, so I used my Tim Holtz Alpha with Sizzix, and these are the 2-inch alphas. And so I used the tone-on-tone green paper to cut out the words big bows, to tell a brief story about my obsession with having my daughter when she was itty bitty in big bows all the time that matched her outfits. I had quite the collection, folks. I truly did. And go figure, now she doesn't want really anything to do with bows. Go figure. I probably damaged her when she was a child. But these ones were, so the story I'm telling in the text that you'll see on clear sticker paper when I'm done is just that my sister had made the dress. So it's like a Starbucks influenced dress that says "Mom needs a coffee" in the Starbucks logo. And I happen to have the perfect sequins, like hunter green bow to go with the Starbucks one. And it was just like a serendipity kind of outfit. And so that's what the story is there. And that the Facebook memory came up because I had posted these. And I love when Facebook kind of reminisces for you. Like this time, 4 years ago, you posted these photos. And I'm like, she's so small. Using a few rub-ons in between it. And you can see those 2 bows that I used another die set from. That was from scrapbook.com. And I used the opposite side of the green paper, which was like a minty blue color, which I love. So more rub-ons, and then with the puppy stickers, I'm going to write the word cutie out. I thought about cutie pie, but then I just went with cutie. And for the other layout, I do just kind of write out my journaling, where this one does get with the clear sticker paper. And they both turned out so sweet and so simple, and I love them. Okay, so I did my journaling off camera, just with a black pen, something liquid gel, and did the recipe. I asked my father-in-law for the recipe, and then just did a little bit of journaling on how I love this dessert so much. All the layering and the vellum, the washi, rub-ons. So good. So good. So soft too, right? And then my big bows layout, here it is. Kept it simple, and the die cuts, in case I didn't mention it in the voiceover, are from scrapbook.com. It was just a bow set in general that I recently picked up, so that's how I got those 2. Finished it off with a rub-on in the back, and then cutie with the puffy letters, more rub-ons, and there's my journaling on clear sticker paper, and added a rub-on there too. So kept it nice and clean. Love the big bold title. Oh, so cute. So yeah, so I'm going to keep this by my side. I've done a good job, I think I mentioned it, using my inserts per month. So it's almost become like my daily journal, or just, thoughts and stuff that come to me per month. So I've done it for September, October, and I will have it ready for November, but November's is sitting here. And I can't wait to use it too, because it was the reading one. So I'll have tons to talk about there. But yeah, the November one's ready to go too. So I will leave the supplies I use for this collection and these layouts listed down below for your shopping abilities. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you for being here. Give this video a thumbs up. It always helps my channel. And until next time, everyone, bye.